The National Partnership is pleased to support the Work-Life Balance Award Act, and we urge the committee and the House to consider it as soon as possible. This legislation comes at a critical time when Americans are facing increased responsibilities at home and at work. Women continue to be key caregivers, but they also make up half of America's workforce, and their incomes are increasingly important to families' economic survival. 4 in 10 mothers are the primary breadwinners in their households, and 2/3 of mothers contribute significantly to their family's income. Working men are also investing more time in childcare, and more Americans are taking on elder care responsibilities as our population ages. But while our society has changed, our public policies have not kept up. Madam Chair, as you highlighted, our only national work-family law, the Family and Medical Leave Act, has helped millions of workers, but there are many needs it does not address. A huge portion of our population is not covered by the law, and many of those who are cannot afford to take the unpaid leave that the law provides. The economic crisis of the past 2 years has only intensified the need for action. Already vulnerable workers fear that asking for leave will jeopardize their jobs and economic security. In this climate, workplace policies that enable men and women by setting minimum standards to allow them to meet family and health needs without risking their jobs or income are more important than ever. Strong work-family policies not only help workers and their families, they're also good for businesses. They reduce turnover and illness-related costs, and we all benefit from the reduced spread of disease and lower healthcare costs when people can seek needed preventive care and also attend to urgent medical conditions. With these benefits for businesses, families, our economy, and public health, it is no wonder that the overwhelming majority of Americans support common-sense policies that will help them meet the dual demands of work and family. It's time for our country's laws to catch up with our society's values. That starts with a national dialogue about policies that will help workers meet their family and work obligations. Toward this goal, we greatly appreciate the Obama administration's decision to convene a workplace flexibility forum. We recognize the wonderful work that Working Mother Magazine and others have done to recognize employers. And we believe the Work-Life Balance Awards Act plays a very important part in this process by recognizing employers that have led the way. We hope this award will provide a powerful incentive for more companies to adopt strong work-family policies. Madam Chair, you asked about possible criteria that could be used in applying an awards process of this kind. We respectfully suggest some requirements that could highlight best practices that benefit both employees and employers. First, it's vital to recognize the importance of paid leave. This includes paid sick days for workers and their families to address immediate medical needs and obtain preventive care. It also includes longer-term paid leave for chronic or serious medical conditions. And because there are many family needs that do not fall within these categories, it's important to recognize policies that permit employees to structure flexible work arrangements. Policies must also be fair. That means they should apply equally to all workers at a company. And workers must be able to use leave or flexible arrangements without being penalized or losing the opportunity for promotion or higher wages. Finally, we believe that policymakers, businesses, and the public would benefit from more information about the types of work-family policies adopted in the private sector. We therefore recommend that the process include the collection and sharing of data about the use and uptake of leave and flexibility programs. I think that Ms. Evans made a really important point. It's not just that you offer the programs, but you have to know if workers are really able to use and access them. And there were also many other wonderful suggestions which we support that the panelists have offered and, Madam Chair, you raised. In conclusion, the National Partnership for Women and Families commends and thanks the co-sponsors of this bill. We look forward to working with you on this and other legislation that will benefit working families.